Welcome back to day 31 of our Python journey here at Edulexis. Today, we are breaking down the Lego blocks of Python modules. As your projects grow, putting everything in one file is a recipe for a syntax error and a headache. Modules allow us to stay organized. Simply put, a module is just a file containing Python definitions and statements. If the file is math_utils.py, the module name is math_utils. The most basic way to use a module is the import keyword. This brings the entire toolkit into your script. When you use a plain import, you must use dot notation. Think of it as saying, go to the math library, then find the square root tool. This method is safe because it prevents naming conflicts. If you have your own function named sqrt, it won't clash with math.sqrt. But what if you only need one specific thing? We use the from keyword. This pulls a specific item directly into your current workspace. Notice that now we don't need to type math.py. We can just say py. It's faster, but use it carefully to avoid cluttering your names. You can import multiple specific items by separating them with commas. This keeps your code lightweight and readable. Now, let's talk about aliases. Sometimes module names are long. We use the as keyword to give them a nickname. This is standard industry practice. In the professional world, you'll almost always see pandas as PD and numpy as NP. You can even alias specific functions. Here, factorial becomes fact. It saves keystrokes without losing the meaning of the code. You might see it from module import asterisk. This means import everything. Warning, this is generally discouraged in professional dev. Using the wildcard makes it hard to tell where a function came from. It can lead to bugs that are very difficult to track down. Python comes with batteries included. The standard library has modules for everything, from dates to file management. When you hit import, Python looks in the current directory first, then built-in modules, then the list of paths in system.path. Let's build our own. Create a file called greet.py and define a simple function called say_hello. Now, in a new file, we import greet. This is how you start building complex software architectures. Ever wondered what this line does? It checks if the file is being run directly or being imported as a module. If we run the file, __name__ is __main__. If we import it, it takes the file name. This prevents code from running accidentally on import. Use the dir function to see all the names defined in a module. It's like looking at the table of contents of a book. Always put your imports at the very top of the file. Group them, standard library first, then third party, then your own modules. Let's practice. The random module is essential for games and data simulation. See how easy it is to generate a number. Handling time is tricky, but the datetime module makes it manageable. We'll use this a lot in our automation projects. Remember, import for the whole module, from for specifics, and as for that helpful nickname. Seeing module not found error? Usually, it's a typo in the name or the file isn't in the same folder. Double check your spelling. Knowing how to structure modules is what separates a student from a junior developer. It shows you understand clean code principles. Your task today, create a module with 4 functions: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Import it into a main file using an alias. At Edulexis, we want to bridge the gap between learning and industry. Proper modularity is exactly how professional systems are built. Great job on day 31. Tomorrow, we dive into packages, the next level of organization. Like and subscribe to keep the journey going.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.